So the next topic that we will be looking at is the grades. So we have reviewed what grade lookups are. Like we know, right? Lookups we have already seen. So I will skip the lookup part, but we can see how to navigate to the lookup. So let's simply give grade in the search task. So it will give us few pop-ups. So over here we can select manage assignment grade lookups. Grade lookups. For grade, I believe there is only one lookup, so it will directly land into the grade rate type itself. Yeah. So rate type is the only lookup that it has. And it is an extension type, which means we can add if we want to add something, we can add. So let me add a new grade type. I mean, yeah, pay type, actually pay rate type. Let's have it as Amazon. Okay. Yeah, very good. Okay. Save and close. So we have made a like we have created another value in the grade rate. Yeah. And now let's create a grade set. Okay, a reference data set. So reference. Why we are creating a reference data set is uh, yeah, for as I mentioned previously, like reference data set is used to group each items and then assign it to a business unit. Yeah. So for that purpose, let's create a reference data set.
The reference data set is created for everything, right?
Yes, yes. So we have created for I believe it's a new like yeah, it's a new completely new refresh, I believe, that we have received. So it doesn't have
Yeah,
this one. Hmm.
it's. I don't know.
Okay. Now let's have it. Amazon. Um, this is for grade. Set. Okay. And there is a, I mean, the system is saying that there's something incorrect here.
Oh.
Yeah, it's because yeah, I believe you remember this. Like the set code should be in uppercase always.
Upper. Yeah.
Yeah.
Set code.
Okay. Save and close. Now let's look for grade. Now let's do manage grade. Manage grade. Then we can create a new grade. Yeah, and let's select. So here this is also having a wizard. So let's select the common set that we've created. So it's Amazon, right? Amazon grade set. Then the grade, let's have it as grade A, grade A, and yeah, next is the grade steps. So how many steps we want, we can add it. So you can say step 2. So for this, I mean for our example, I'm going to create 4 steps. And here we have something called ceiling step. So ceiling step, from the name itself, we can understand that it is the topmost step. Yeah, which means this is the step number, right? Step number has has been generated automatically. Okay, which means once a person is appointed in a job, the person needs to complete the step 1, step 2, step 3, and here if we set the ceiling step as the third step, no, third step, then we can say that the fourth step, I mean the fourth step is non-mandatory. It is not mandatory to complete the fourth step. From third step, he can jump to grade B. Yeah.
Yeah.
Why I don't want to skip the classes, like we've already had too many breaks, right? So there will not be a continuity. So what happens is going forward, we will tend to lose interest towards like towards the learning. So it's better we finish it off, complete a project, and then we can take a break. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello, Ipsita, are you there?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
It's audible.
Okay.
I put that side.
Okay. So next is the grade rates. Yeah. So before we were selecting the grade rates, we have to make sure that we have selected the correct legislative data group. So which we have created. So here, let's select the US legislative data group, as we have created all the setup based on the US, US currencies and so on. Yeah. So add existing rate or create new rates. So let's try to create new rates. So grade A. Uh, this is, if you see here, it has the values that we have provided. Yeah, all these values are available. So and if you notice, when we created, like when we saw the rate types, right, lookups,
Mm-hmm.
great lookups, there were lot of other types as well, but those were not showing here.
Yeah. The
Yeah.
bonus. Yeah. Bonus.
Yes, bonus is there.
No,
Yeah,
bonus was there. Over.
overtime bonus salary. Yeah, I'll okay, let's go back to that page.
Bonus was there. I think the others were not. Overtime was not there.
Yeah, so let's see if we can switch to the other page. Yeah, so I'm just opening a new session. Setup and maintenance. lookup. Accelerate lookups. Yeah, over here,
Yeah, overtime.
Amazon variable. Sorry.
The overtime and salary are here. Only steps.
Yes.
Three,
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4 were not here.
Yeah.
So,
Commission.
uh, yeah. So, can you? Uh, like, can you give me a reason why it is not available here in the list?
Uh,
The
the
answer is yeah.
it's like it's different for different people. That's why.
No, not like that. So there, the answer is just in front of you. I have the window open. So answer is just in front of you. We looked into it in the previous class, previous session actually.
Uh,
Just give a try for another maybe 10 seconds, and then I will really reveal. Okay, no worries. So if you see the tag, right?
tag.
In the
Yeah.
tag, it says it's for normal NO country NO, right? And
Okay.
country AR.
Yeah.
That's the reason it is not showing. So maybe we can add another mm, Amazon uh, Pay for IN. So Amazon Pay for IN. So Amazon Pay for India. And firstly, we will simply save and close this. Let's open it. Now, if I open, now if I go here, click on create new rate, I will have pay for India as well. But this is a US legislative, right? I don't want this to be shown in US legislative. So what I will do is I'll cancel this and go here. We shall add plus
US.
IN. No, plus IN.
Yeah. Oh,
Or
IN.
else,
Yeah.
yes, plus IN. Or else we can say, as you said, minus US. Yeah, we can try this. So if we do this, let's see what happens. So go in here again. Got it. Oh, it's still there. Oh, maybe I have put it in the wrong setup. Okay, got it. The first one is gone. See, the first one is gone. It's taking time. So in Amazon variable pay, I have mentioned it as minus US. Ideally, yeah, we were trying to do it for India, right? So minus in US. So minus US has already worked. So if you see, we don't have Amazon variable pay here, right?
Mm.
But Amazon pay for India is here. So let's change it as plus IN. So minus is working. So plus IN. Let me have it as plus IN. Then save and close. Over here, cancel this and try to create it again. Now if we see, India is gone. Amazon pay India is gone. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's create one basic pay. So basic salary. Salary and the frequency is going to be monthly in USD. Okay. So we shall say for this grade, the minimum is for grade A, minimum is 1500, maximum is 3000, and midpoint is 2750. Oh, 250 test already taken. So the midpoint automatically got generated. I did not do anything. Okay, based on these values which we have provided, it has taken the midpoint.
Average.
Yes, average it has taken. So, and then let's select Amazon variable pay. Just for like for disposals, I'm giving it as VP, and this is provided monthly. So minimum. So variable pay, we will say that we are for month. I mean, for every month for this particular grade, let's give 1,000 values. Yeah, and then let's add another one more bonus, and we'll stop. So here bonus.
Mm-hmm.
Bonus is given annually. So
Yeah.
bonus. Yeah, bonus, and let's say mm, bonus is put as 1,500. Grades. Okay. Okay, done. So next, let's review. So it has been updated under Amazon grade set. This instance is taking long time. It's taking so much time to save and move to the next step. Okay, cool. If you notice here, the step 3 is the ceiling which we have set, and these are the values: minimum value, maximum value, and rate type. This is the rate type that we have created, Amazon rate type, and there's nothing else, right? There's nothing else. So everything is reflecting as per our setup. Now we can save and submit. So we have created grade A. Let's quickly create grade B as well. So grade. Okay. Just trying to search the grade that we have selected now. It's not showing. We gave the name as grade A, right?
Yeah.
Starts with grade A. Okay.
Code, yeah, code was all in caps, right?
Yeah, grade space A was the, it's not available. We did save it. Okay, I'll go out and then come in and see if grade A is available. Maybe because of the network issue.
Yeah, it's taking time to save and pull.
Yeah,
Maybe.
it's not available. Okay, I'll create again. Maybe this time I will add it as Amazon grade. Grade A. Amazon. And I believe for set, right? For set alone, like a reference data set alone, the code should be in caps. Um, for this, I believe this the system will allow us. For grade details, in grade details, we have the name and code. I believe this the system will allow us to go to the next step. Yeah, it is allowing us. So I'll quickly create 4. Come on. Yeah, so it's great. We have to make sure that we select the correct legislative data group. Otherwise, the details that we provide will be completely different.
Yeah.
Basic salary, monthly. Then it is taking a lot of time. So what we can do, um, I'll finish off with the this one like grade, and I'll show you how to how to start with hiring an employee. You can go through or you can test by hiring an employee. Okay, so I'll show
Yeah.
you where to hire an employee, and I'll also let you know 2 points which are very important uh, to hire an employee. Yeah, so variable pay. Just trying to queue something. No, it's not allowing. So 3,000. Bonus. Right. Amazon grade A. So I have to wait till this gets completed. Then submit it. Amazon. Or maybe because of the date. Let's remove the date. Yeah. So I believe grade is also available, but as the search criteria had effective as of date, so it's giving us all these. Uh, what happened? Okay, let's see. Amazon grade A. So you can see that Amazon grade A has been created. And let's create one more. Grade B. And for grade B, let's have only 2 steps.
Mhm. Six salary, monthly, object of type grade rate with okay. So if you notice here, it's not allowing us to create another basic salary. So for the same like under Great.
this, yeah. So grade rate with name already exists, right? So we can have it as basic salary for grade A, grade B, right? Salary grade B. Always. So now it should allow. Okay. And let's have 2,500 notary provided, right? So 5,000 to 7,000. So now it's still calculating the midpoint. Okay. And next. So these are the values which you have provided. Saving it.
once you have received the videos, maybe you can like go through it again in 2x speed instead of having it. Yeah, instead of reviewing the training session in
Mm-hmm.
regular speed, we can review it in 2x speed because the system
Oh,
is taking some time, right? So it's
yeah.
better. Yeah, it'll be easier for us to go through like this. Um, Remove this, search. So now we should get to. It's not getting refreshed. Okay, great. Manage grade. See if we are able to get it here. My God, it's a lot of delay.
Mm-hmm.
So only grade A has been created. Not sure why. So grade A has been created. Grade B is not been created. Okay, let's. I don't know what to say because. Hmm, Amazon. Amazon. Underscore grade. Step. This is completely unusual. We got grade B.
Yeah.
It is taking some time, right? Yeah. So cancel this for now. Yes. Okay. Perfect. So we have created the grades. So we see we have created the grades. We have set up the ceiling, and it is an option. If we want, we can set it up. Otherwise, if steps are not required for this particular grade, then we can leave it. And then we have, yeah, we have set up the variable pay and so on. And we have looked like we have reviewed the grade lookup as well, and created a new variable pay like Amazon variable pay. And next is the Amazon grade ladder. Yeah, not Amazon grade ladder, I'm sorry. Grade ladder. Okay,
Just
so
great.
yes, so let's look for grade, and then manage grade ladder. Right. Okay, over here it's not here, so let's create one. So grade ladder. So let's create it for Amazon, and this is going to be under business unit BU1, right? Amazon business unit 1, and the set is going to be Amazon
I'm
grade. Yeah. So for ladder, we are going to use the same grade only because it is a grade ladder, right? So we are having it in the same setup, and then type grades with steps. Then next. I believe this time we will also have the other grades also, like uh, I mean, just the grade that we have created, right? That will also be available, I believe. Let's see. So there are two grades. So we can say whichever needs to be on the top. If you see on the left side, So
Yeah.
this is the view, right? So we
Mm-hmm.
will get it something like this. So I'm saying add to grade ladder. See, so grade ladder. So for this business unit, for this business unit is going to be grade ladder 1, 2, 3, 4.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah, and then we are going to add. Once this is completed, we are saying that whether this needs to be after or before this. So it's done. Yeah, 1, 2, and we will submit it. Next is like, yeah, before we submit it, there is another option. So here we can add grade rates as well. So we have added for each grade what is the basic pay that needs to be provided and so on, right? The
Mm-hmm.
similar manner for each step we can say that uh, that should be a set what is that set value. For this we can give this much rate. Say for grade A step 1, the value should be say 1100 and 1250 for step 2, so on. Yeah. So uh, so here if you notice the currency is AED. That's because the legislative group is AE. So it should be US. So if I
Oh.
change it to US, everything will go off. Then I will have to add, and we can say this is going to be the grade set at Amazon grade ladder. So for salary alone, we are setting it up here. And then if I'm adding another line, maybe we can have it as this as salary. Amazon salary. Remove all other. Then the bonus. So let's see what happens here at the bottom. An object type, grade, rate with the name already existing. Okay. Uh, bonus rate Amazon. Yeah. And we can provide the values as well here. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So rate so say it is 1000, 1100, 1250, 2000, 2200, 200, and then 3000. Yeah. And I don't want to have the bonus for now, so I'll remove this here. We'll just have salary. Next rate. Next. Attribute name. Oh, it's gone. So okay.
It did not take or.
No. I selected the bonus and then added the value. So
Oh,
for
okay.
rate it is different, and for value it's different. That's right.
Okay.
So 1100, 200, 1500, 2500. So still loading. You have to let it load. Yeah, everything is loaded. So now we can go to the next step. Why it is still showing it is there anything that we have missed? Okay. Okay, not sure what is happening. So, okay, so I'll have to start now. So what I'll do is I'll pause it here. Yeah.
Yeah.
And I'll quickly show you how we have to select, or yeah, how we have to like add an employee. Or so if you go into the navigator, there is an option called My Client Groups. Under this, we will have new person. So if we click on new person, we'll have few options. Hire an employee. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Cool. So using this option, we can hire a person. So I'll stop here for today. So
Yeah.